Hi guys, Omar with Overlanding Just Cause, and I am going to work on the GX today. I've got this piece of wood. It was gifted to me by a good buddy of mine. I'm not gonna say his name, but he knows exactly who he is. He's the man. He's always taking care of me. But what's special about this piece of wood that he gave me is this. I think it looks beautiful. The way I'm gonna have it is, it's gonna be right here. It'll drop down. Yeah, so it's cold out. It's gonna be hard for my fingers to do some work, but it should be all right. So let's get to it. All right, so let me tell you what I have so far. You've already seen the riveting, first time ever riveting, and I think it came out pretty good. I had to bring a couple of these down, shave them down, but only a couple. All the other ones came out really good. Ideally, I wanted to do this and put the rib nuts in the bracket, inside the plastic, and then through this aluminum piece, just to keep everything that much tighter. But I was a little off on the holes. I didn't feel like turning it around and doing it again. So I took little washers on each one, except for a couple. I didn't put one there, or one there. It looks like it's gonna hold fairly tight, so that's good. Meanwhile, I have this drying. I put a coat on, I'll probably put another one. And what I'm using is this right here, Minwax Helmsman. And the reason why I got it right here, sunlight, so UV protectant, rain and moisture, and temperature changes, which it's gonna be in the back of the GX. It's definitely gonna go through some temperature changes, possibly get wet at times, and obviously the sun going in. So that's what I have so far. The next step is going to be to measure out holes. The way I'm gonna lock it in place, I'm gonna take this, and this is how I'm gonna tie it down. I don't need two of them, I'm only going to use two. And this will go somewhere on there. This will be bolted onto the piece of wood so that when it comes up, I just bring this and lock it down. I thought about just using one, but I figured I'd put one on each side. That way it doesn't budge while I'm driving. All right, so it's the next day, the next morning, and it's freezing, 25 degrees right now. Left it overnight. I really wanted to do it yesterday, but it was still kind of, sticky and not fully dried. So this is now fully dry. There's two coats. Now I'm going to attach it to the piano hinge. I'm going to figure out where the string is gonna come down, where I need to drill, where I need to put the latches, and finish her up, because I wanna be done and go back inside.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting out. You never doubt, not what I'm about, I just be proud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase it? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe.
All right, guys, I am done. It's taken all day, only because I had to go to the store and get a couple things, and then I'll explain the rest. All right, so here it is. My do-it-yourself tailgate table. Obviously, I didn't do this myself. A buddy of mine, good friend of mine from work did it, and I thank him a bunch. Like I said, he's always good to me, and he came through on this one. But as you can see, got these latches off Amazon. I've connected here. I need to do a little bit more vacuuming and cleaning. But that's bolted through. Same thing on the other side. I had to go to the store and get these grommets because what I didn't want is this 550 cord to be rubbing against the edge of the plastic. That came out pretty nice. And then open it up and what? Sorry about that. Speaking of which, hey, listen, I am so close to 10,000 subscribers. I need your help. I can't say that with a straight face. 10,000, I'm so close. So subscribe if you like. All right, but here we go, back to this. Drilled a hole. You can see I burned the tips on both sides, so it's not gonna fray, but the inside is still in. I've got black 550 cord here, same thing on the other side. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I've got plenty of real estate, so we'll see. More to come on this space right here. If you don't remember, I've just totally destroyed this cover. I've got the knobs here, but yeah, everything else has been destroyed. Now, here was my problem. When I initially installed this, I measured twice. I promise I did. And what ended up happening is it was too low and it wouldn't close. Now it closes perfectly, but I had to do some modifying to the back. So I edged out and then edged out the top, and they're clean cuts. Thankfully, it's not just a hole, a black hole, but so I've got this piece here. But now, when I close it up, like I said, it's shut. But now you'll notice, climbing the back, that it is not touching. I'm going from one side all the way to the other side. There we go. Honestly, I didn't mean for that to happen. If I were to do it correctly and measure correctly, it would have been above that lip. But once I put it on with the rivet nuts, I wasn't drilling those rivet nuts back out to do it again. So yeah, not the prettiest. I could even clean it up a little bit more, which I probably will. But, or maybe, I don't know, do something here, stick a foam piece. All it's gonna do is touch the edge here. Initially, before I cut it, it was pressing against the bottom here. And thankfully it didn't scratch anything, which, you know, it's a table, it's gonna get scratched up, but there it is, guys. Tell me what you think. I think it looks pretty good. I've been wanting to do this for a little while now. It's 40 inches and 12 inches in width. And again, piano hinges, or excuse me, piano hinge. This is what I originally got to hinge the Jeep Commander when I did the camper build. I ended up going with something bigger. But rivet to back here, through the plastic, through some washers, nice and tight, and then screws, 15 of them. When it's closed, you can see the 550 cord tucks in nicely, nice and straight. And again, I'll do something with this space here so that when I open it, I'll have something there that can be useful. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Again, subscribe, right? My goal, 10,000. Next goal, 10,000. I'm so close. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.